Hello everyone.
Happy January 28th. Today we celebrate blueberry pancakes, data privacy, and the joy of flavor and safety. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Blueberry Pancake Day. A sweet breakfast treat. A great gift could be a pancake mix set, a gourmet syrup sampler, or a festive griddle. Do you love blueberry pancakes? Let's stack the comments. It's Data Privacy Day. A reminder to protect our digital lives. A thoughtful gift could be a password manager, a privacy guidebook, or a secure USB drive. How do you protect your data? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's National Kazoo Day. A quirky celebration of musical fun. A nice gift could be a kazoo set, a music activity book, or a novelty instrument kit. Have you played a kazoo? Let's hum in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 26th to 28th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.